So we're going to try a little something different. I'm going to build a little cane. I have a 1x2 of oak left over from a chair remodel or restoration that I was doing for someone. So I have that left over. And a little piece, really scrap piece of cherry, had a knot in it. Really unusable for anything else. But I think I can use this into a pommel. So let's cut this down to size. See what we can make. like we finished up sanding this beautiful knob cane. Saw how we did the center shaft here, very thin, only 3/4 of an inch this way, tapered. This is oak, and did a nice topper, 2 pieces of cherry. Have a little lanyard spot there in the back. Beautiful handhold, sanded all nicely. We're going to do a little bit of teak oil finish. And we're going to see how this all that nice grain pops out. Again, just a little piece of cotton. Beautiful coloring. Look at that. Beautiful. And a little knot there, but it darkened up the wood. Adds a little bit of character. That is fantastic. Going to put several coats on, and then let's see what the final dry color is going to look like. I think it's going to be very nice. Stay tuned. So it's been a few days, and we've let the oil dried. Look at that color, and the grain has popped nicely. Everything's nice and smooth. The oak, of course, with its very distinctive grain. Now we're going to finish it off with a little bit of beeswax. Going to make a nice, comfortable finish. So we're going to put a generous amount on. Let it set for 5 minutes or so, and then buff it off. Give it that little bit of protection, but mostly it's a nice feel to the wood. It's sort of like a little polish. So let me finish all that up. Take a look at the end. So there's the finalized walking cane. Beautiful piece of oak wrapped with cherry. See a nice grain pattern. Finished off with a little leather lanyard or a little wrist strap just going through the back. Beautiful grain in this. Came out super smooth, very comfortable, lightweight, 3 feet long. Super comfortable. Hope you enjoyed the build.